Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? B plus hat plus man. Batman. Batman. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you all, and thank you, Gene. Hi, folks, and welcome again to Classic Concentration. And join me now, if you will, in welcoming a newcomer to our show, the pretty lady on my right, whose name is Donna Carter. Oh, Donna Carter, D.C. Where are you from?
I'm from Louisville, Kentucky.
Ah, are you visiting Southern California, or have you moved here?
I've lived here all my life.
You have,
Yes,
but you were
I
born
have.
in Louisville.
Yes.
A lot of folks back there?
Yes, all my folks.
All of your folks. So they're going to be watching you today?
Oh, yes.
And they're going to want to see you win some prizes.
Yes.
So good luck to you
Yes, thank
against
you.
this man, our champion. His name is Tony Zach. He's a cartoonist, and he's also a good player.
I know.
I know he's ready to go, aren't you?
Yeah, sure.
Then let's do it.
Win more prizes.
Look over here, and we'll show you one of our prizes.
The Berkline Touch Motion Wall-Away Recliners with extra generous padding and giant proportions for the ultimate in relaxing comfort. Reclines only 1.5 inches from the wall, furnished by Berkline. Alex.
These are neat-looking chairs. Take a look over here, Don and Anthony, and we'll show you where you can find them. They're at number 3, a pair of recliners. We also have a Caribbean cruise. And Donna, you get to go first. Caribbean cruise.
I want to go to the Caribbean. Let's see if the trip is behind number 14.
Red tape.
Let's try number 22 for a match.
No shower massager.
The shower massager would be really, really nice after work. Let's try number 12 for that shower massager.
No compact disc player. That would be good too.
That'd be really nice. Let's go under number 8 for the match, please.
Wild card, automatic match there. The natural would have occurred on the bottom line at position 24. The prize is up there in the column, and now 3 doors will swing open for you, Tony Zach. Select again.
All right, let's go up in the corner with number 5.
Cruise to the Caribbean. There you go.
Another trip. That'd be really nice. Let's go down in the other corner, number 21.
No match, a green take. Donna, he says another trip because he's already got a Catskill Mountain Resort vacation coming and a holiday in Jamaica. Now, you might think that's enough for him, and why can't you win one?
That's right.
So
I wanna
make a
go
match
somewhere
right
too.
here.
All right. Maybe, let's see, I'll try number 11.
Red tape.
Ah, I think I saw that red take under number 21. Oh.
Wrong color. Hurts, doesn't it?
It hurts.
Yes, Anthony, select.
I want to go fishing first for that other Caribbean cruise, and I'm going to try it under number 15.
Shower massager.
Shower massager. And I think that shower massager was under 22 for the natural match.
Yes, it was. No wild cards wasted on that prize. Let's open it up for him. Select again.
Let's open up the puzzle a little under number 18.
There's another wild card. Well, guess where he's going, Donna?
Let's go in that corner for number 5,
we know.
please.
Number 5 for the trip. Losing the Caribbean. The other one is at number 6, and 3 more panels are opening for Tony.
Not enough yet, Alex. Number 1, please.
Number 1 is plush carpeting.
Let's go in the middle with number 13 for the match.
Binoculars, no match. Donna?
I'm looking for that dining set now. Let me look at number 20, please.
Gold and diamond brooch.
That's nice.
I think I'll find the match on number 4.
Let's look. Oh, color TV. Tony?
Number 14 for color TV.
Red take.
And let's go above it at 11, or over there at 11.
Over there at
for
11.
the red take. Got some legs there.
Tony, in my capacity as host, I have to help the contestants. Above is this way.
I know.
This is to the left.
I know.
But it doesn't matter because you made the match, you've got the take, and that'll be insurance for later on, just in case you need it. Right now,
Good
we'll
insurance.
open these 2
She's
panels.
a good player. to number 2, please.
Gold and diamond brooch.
And if I remember correctly, that was under number 20.
Did he remember correctly? Yes, he did.
Yes,
He's getting tough. He's getting tough. Open it up. Select.
Let's try number 4. Oh, we've
Color
seen that.
TV.
Let's go right next door to that at number 3. See a match.
Pair of recliners, the ones we showed you at the beginning of the show. Donna.
Okay, how about number 21? We haven't seen that one yet.
That's a green
The
take.
green take, and I believe the other take is behind number 19.
Is it? No. Plush carpeting. You're helping Tony.
I think we saw the plush carpeting under 19.
Yeah,
And for the match, Alex, under number 1.
that's right.
Good, right.
And you get another look at an expanded puzzle. Pick again.
Let's try lucky number 7, please, Alex.
Pair of recliners.
And for the match, let's go to number 3.
Number 3, yes, we saw them there twice. We need to move them. Let's open it up. Select again.
Let's go under number 10.
There's still a wild card, by the way. There it is.
I'd really like that color TV, Alex. Let's go under number 4 for that color TV.
4 for the color TV. That looks like it'll be an important piece of the puzzle. The other color TV is at number 17. That, too, looks important at this stage. Let's see if they are.
I'd like to guess.
Go.
Kiss It Goodbye.
Is it Kiss It Goodbye? And you can kiss this puzzle goodbye. And Tony is traveling again. But first, he travels to our board. Well done.
Well, we have the kiss here, big romantic, and the hit, so it's Kiss It. The G. Let's see.
Hood.
Hood, that's it. Good. And the B and the I. Goodbye. Kiss it, goodbye.
One of the fun things about classic concentration is that our players don't have to be able to explain all of the symbols. All they have to do is solve the puzzle. And you did that well, and you won a bunch of prizes. Donna, we're going to take you off stage for just a few minutes. Only
Okay.
one strike against you. You'll get to play in game 2 in a little bit, all right?
All right.
We'll see you then. Tony, you won another great vacation. Wait till you hear about this. But first, let's hear about the other prizes. Gene.
A shower massager and plush carpeting. Horizon House plush nylon wall-to-wall carpet. This footprint-fighting casual texture features a stain release for timeless beauty, furnished by Horizon House. And a compact disc player. Sharp CD player lets you randomly select up to 20 choices on this compact disc player with 19-key wireless remote control, furnished by Sharp. And a color TV. Magnavox 20-inch stereo color TV is smart, very smart. It includes a universal remote that controls virtually any brand of wireless VCR and cable, furnished by Magnavox. And the gold and diamond brooch, part of Kay Jewelers' classic collection. This elegant brooch is crafted in 14-karat gold and sparkles with 3 diamonds. It may add dazzle to any woman's wardrobe, furnished by Kay Jewelers. And Cruise the Caribbean.
Yeah! Well, be in the Caribbean.
We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Miami. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And the Commodore Cruise Line sleek MS Caribbean, registered in Panama, will whisk you away to 4 beautiful Caribbean ports on an exciting, fun-filled 7-day holiday cruise for 2, furnished by Commodore Cruise Line. And, of course, the comfortable pair of recliners. And Tony, listen to this. Added to the money you won before is the total amount of $7,329.
$7,000 added to what you won before, and that'll take it just a shade under 20 grand, and you could go to 30,000 if you win a brand new car. We want his wife, Susan, to come running up here and give him a hug after this break. Anthony Zach is our champion, and with 45 seconds on the clock, I think he's going to win a brand new car. So let's get right to it. 15 numbered squares, Tony. 3/4 of a minute. Good luck. Off you go. Make it pay off.
2, 3,
No.
8, 9,
No.
5, 6,
No.
9, 5,
Right.
11, 3,
No.
6, 12,
Yes.
15, 14,
Yes.
8, 13,
No.
3, 1,
No.
4, 3,
No.
1, 7,
No.
3, 7,
Yes.
10, 11,
No.
10, 8.
Two cars short.
Too slow.
No, that's all right. Hey, you know, I get the feeling that you just want to stay around playing more games so you can win some more holidays.
No.
You've got $18,779 in vacations and prizes to this point, and you're going on after this. I just discovered during that commercial break that we may have a woman sitting next to me who has her black belt in shopping because some serious negotiations were going on between Donna and Anthony. And the reason is because they caught sight of one of the prizes in game number 2.
A shopping spree at Fred Heyman Beverly Hills for men and women. Select from designer fashions, accessories, and their exclusive 273 fragrance for women and now for men. Furnished by Fred Heyman Beverly Hills. Alex.
Thank goodness clothing is unbreakable. Because Marjorie has got more than she can handle right now. But that great shopping spree can belong to one of you if you make a match with what you find behind this number. Number 1, it's going to be easy to remember. New Orleans Holiday. That's exciting. That's in this game. And we have $600 in our cash pot, Donna. You've got one strike against you. You pick first.
I want that shopping spree like you wouldn't believe. I hope the match is under number 7.
Red take.
I'll try number 14 for the match.
No camping package. And we have just the one wild card in this game. Tony, pick.
Let's go underneath 10.
Number 10 it is. New Orleans Holiday.
Let's find that wild card or the natural match under number 20.
Kayak. No match. Donna. I know you want a kayak as badly as you want a shopping spree. Not quite.
I hope the shopping spree is under number 18, please.
18. Shopping spree.
And the match under number 1?
Yeah. Way to go. Now win it.
From me, Anthony.
Well, you start concentrating. Pay attention now. Okay. We're going to open this puzzle. It's only 2 pieces, of course, but this will give you an idea. Weird idea, if you ask me. Donna, pick again.
Let me see what's under number 21.
Diamond earrings.
Diamond earrings. Ooh, those would be nice. Maybe the match for those is under number 10?
Nope, that's that New Orleans Holiday. Tony.
Let's look for that wild card or the match for the New Orleans Holiday under number 11.
Cash pot.
Cash pot, that'd be nice too, Alex. Let's go right above that at 6.
Is it there? No, that's the kayak. We've seen that before, Donna.
Let me look at number 20. I think the kayak is there.
Right.
Yay! And number 6 for the match.
Number 6. Good match. Open it up. Select again.
Let me see number 3, please.
Green take.
Number 21.
Nope, diamond earrings. Tony?
Well, we're still looking for that New Orleans trip, Alex. Let's go right in the middle of the board under 13.
Yes.
And let's go for the match under number 10.
Man likes to travel since he joined us on this show. Open it up. Let's take a look.
E.T. phone home.
Is it E.T. phone home? You didn't say collect. You didn't say may I.
That could be.
Select again.
Let's go under number 12. For that wild card, hopefully.
No, wall mirror.
A wall mirror would be nice. And let's go underneath at number 22.
Wild card.
All right.
Put that together with the other wall mirror, and that means you're going to get a look at 3 pieces of the puzzle in the same general area.
Go
again.
Let's go on the top of the corner at 16.
Top of the corner, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, Tony. Betting ensemble there.
Let's go across the way at 19 for the match.
Electric range, no match. Donna, over to you.
Let's see what's behind number 5.
5 is a dartboard with cabinet.
I hope the match is under number 2.
Diamond earrings, no match. Tony?
Susan will really love these diamond earrings. Let's go under 21. And let's make the match at number 2.
Number 2 makes it a match. Yes. 3 prizes, 2 doors. Select again.
Let's go in the middle of the board again at number 8.
Red take.
Ooh. And I think that red take was under 11.
No, that's the cash spot. Donna, here's your chance. Oh, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling button. We're going to start revealing 1 square at a time. Number 3. Whoa, wait, Tony is in there fast.
Betty by time?
Is it Betty by time? Yes, it is. Oh, gosh. He's good, Donna. He's good. Come on, Tony. Yeah, you've got to win the car.
By the way, has a bed and the D for Betty, and the B and the I for by, Betty by, tie, and the M. Betty by time.
Betty by time. Well done. Well, you are a good player. You saw that. There's a lot hidden. And Donna, I'm sorry it didn't work out for you. I know how badly you wanted that shopping spree. You've got 2 strikes against you, which means we've got to say goodbye.
That's
but we do
okay.
have some party gifts for you backstage.
That's okay.
Thank
I had
you
a
for being
great
with us.
time.
Good. Take care. So long, Donna. Tony, you've won a bundle and you're adding to it. Gene.
A wall mirror and diamond earrings. Part of Kay Jewelers' classic collection, elegant diamond earrings crafted in 14-karat gold. These stunning earrings sparkle with 10 diamonds. Furnished by Kay Jewelers and a New Orleans holiday. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to New Orleans. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Maison Dupuis, an unusual French Quarter hotel combining old world charm with today's luxuries, featuring a lush tropical courtyard, heated pool, and exercise facility furnished by Maison Dupuis. And Tony, these prizes are worth $3,039.
4 big vacations for you, Tony, and I have a feeling you're going to do it today. You're going to win the car after this.
Let's do it, Alex.
Tony says she is going to do it now. 15 numbered squares. Up to 50 seconds on your personal clock. Good luck. Off you go.
2, 3,
No.
4, 5,
No.
6, 3,
No.
2, 3, 6.
You said 3.
Yeah, I did. 2, 6.
Right.
9, 7,
No.
8, 10,
No.
3, 10,
Right.
13, 8,
Yes.
11, 14,
No.
9, 1,
No.
12, 11,
No.
9, 12,
Right.
15, 1,
No.
4, 15,
Yeah.
14. I'm getting quick.
Don't quit. Don't quit.
No,
You're winning
be quicker.
prizes. Yeah, you've got to be quicker, but in the games, you're doing it just right. You won $21,818. And you're going to come back. So will we after this break. Game.
Some of today's participants may receive limited edition Ray-Ban precious metal sunglasses by Bausch & Lomb. Feature rare metals and 24-karat gold frames with changeable lenses. Available in gray, black, or white. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Thank you very much. Thank you, folks.
See y'all next time. So long.
See you tomorrow morning.
Here's your closing.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.